Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from Nissin, Germany. This is their Ramen Masters, Two Masters Great Ramen. It's a collaboration between Nissin Foods Germany and a place known for their Hakata Tonkatsu. So that's what we're doing. Here's our cup, and this one goes for 4 minutes. So, as you can probably see by the thing. Yeah, that was kind of close. I didn't know if I had enough liquid. Gotta have enough liquid. Especially when you're doing 4 cup noodle varieties in about an hour. That's what I do. I do things en masse. Yeah. So, how is you? I'm doing well. Thank you for not asking. And, yeah, this is the second of 4 cup noodle varieties I'll be doing this morning, which will span 4 days in your temporal universe, your timeline, your accidental happenstance. Yeah. Wow. So, like, I know this is going to come out, like, mid-December. But it's like right now it's what? It's gonna come out probably like the 14th of December, and I think today's the 13th of August. And right now there's like wildfires and crazy insanity going on in Hawaii, particularly in on the Maui island, Maui place. Crazy images of people fleeing wildfire. I don't know. I when I think Hawaii, I think volcanoes. I don't think wildfires. I think horror and destruction coming from big mountains and stuff. But my sister, who is a she's been to Hawaii a bunch of times. Seems kind of has this bit of Hawaiian expertise, as it were. I was like, so do they have like volcanoes there? Are they like double screwed? And she's like, well, they do, but the island of Maui is between like 2 volcanoes that are like inert, dormant, inactive. So there's volcano valley. But yeah, people like jumping into the ocean and watching their houses burn. People getting burnt, and yeah, bodies washing up. That's crummy. Sorry to hear about that. But the thing is, it'll be out of the news by the time it's at this point, most likely, and maybe they'll have like we don't have any news today. Should we like check in on the Hawaiians? Yeah, let's do that. That's how it kind of works, So yeah, that's kind of gonna be weird. But there's all sorts of stuff that happens. God, there was the place that had the what was that story? The gas explosion down in California that took out like an entire neighborhood. I'm sure those people haven't forgotten that, but most people that don't live there, it made the national news for a few days, and then just time kind of erodes things like that, especially things that are unpleasant, like COVID, for example. Yeah, that was not a pleasant thing for most. There were aspects of the whole pandemic that I absolutely loved. Like, I really liked the traffic directions at the grocery store. Go up this aisle, go down that aisle. You know, that was great. Orderly, logical. Over. This smells quite wondrous. Let's give this a look-see. Come here. So here is our tonkatsu. This kind of looks like a shoyu tonkatsu. Let's try the noodle first. I gotta remember to scrape off some noodles. That is good. Yeah, I gotta get rid of some noodles from the plating. There's our broth. Wow. Okay, yeah, this one. That is really good. That is quite a nice little cup of tonkatsu. Alright, I'm happy with that. I already got the water boiling for the next one. So we are going to use the next bowl. This here. Is that centered? Not hardly. Okay. Well. Give a shout out to my buddy Matt, the author, who just had a thing. He was interviewed on a show called the was it Hardcore History? It's a podcast. Yeah, he's really into history. I'm really into history, but he can rattle off crazy events and all sorts of fascinating things that I have no clue about. So he has to be defeated with my prowess with the noodle. Can't be one-upped by somebody on a different subject than noodles. I don't know. I will accept that he knows things. But, alright, there is our chashu. Kind of big. And happy. How many eggs do we have left? Eggerator. At least 2. I think. And I want to use both of them today. I think in Tonkatsu that'd be good, but boy, that bowl doesn't have a lot of room, does it? Let's see if we can fit that sucker in there. These eggs came out very nicely. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, they're ready to go to Eggland. Yeah, that was kind of a large piece of chashu to use. Not only that, I've got too much stuff. Quite a bit of stuff in there. But yeah, it's kind of a weird deal. There's a lot of craziness going on in the world right now. I like a certain amount of craziness. Oops.
even with dishing a bunch of noodle. That's kind of how we gotta play it. It's a little bowl, and I have large ingredients for garnish items. Miles agreed. And then excuse me, we're gonna use some shichimi. Right on the chashi. Oh, right there. Do I dare go further? I don't think so, folks. I think it's okay that I don't have mung bean sprouts today because they're long and they literally wouldn't fit so wonderfully. Look at that. Did you know that Rotato is multifaceted, multifunction, multi-powered? For watching. It really pains me when you don't, but the next one you're gonna see is this is the chili tomato Nissin cup noodle out of Japan. This came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, it has a chili tomato flavor. Hopefully I don't think I'll put an egg in that one, maybe chashu though. Yeah. All right, please like, subscribe, really helps me out. Please. All right, have a good one. Bye bye.